तो हेलो नमस्ते सत श्री अकाल आदाब। मैं संकेत आपका छोटा भाई और पार्ट टाइम बिजनेसमैन अपने दिल की गहराइयों से आपको स्वागत करता हूं मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल में। और आज मैं आपको सुनाने वाला हूं अपनी लाइफ के सबसे स्पेशल क्रिएशंस में से एक, यानी मेरी पोइट्री, जो कि मेरे द्वारा 2015 से 2019 के बीच इंग्लिश में लिखी मेरी 35 पोएम्स में से एक है। और इसका टाइटल है डोमेस्टिक एनिमल्स वर्सेस वाइल्ड ह्यूमंस, जो कि एक सत्य घटना पर आधारित कविता है। और ये मैंने 2019 में लिखी थी। तो मुझे उम्मीद है कि आपको पसंद आएगी। तो चलिए अब मैं ज़्यादा समय न लेते हुए शुरू करता हूँ। Once upon a time, in Haryana, India, there lived an animal lover boy who was against animal cruelty. He stopped people from hurting animals, but they ignored. Cherubic boy with lion's heart of gold couldn't see their misery. The boy was a dog lover, so he used to feed them sometimes. He kept an eye on evil people and couldn't tolerate injustice. One evening, he was feeding stray dogs and saw a shocking deal. A man was selling some stray cattle to a slaughterhouse. Actually, there was a greedy milkman in his neighborhood. He used to milk stray cows forcefully without giving them fodder. The boy stopped them, but they argued and threatened him. He started to smell a rat, took out his phone and made video of the dealer. Milkman saw him, started abusing him loudly and came running towards him with stick and brick to kill boy, ran back into his house. Milkmen were drunk and beating dogs when they started barking. They suddenly started throwing stones in his house. They shattered his glass windows, so it was a horrific situation. Boy's mother called the cops as they were mad as a hornet. Police came after an hour and barked on the wrong tree. Those rowdy devils could do anything in the heat of the moment. Neighbors accused the boy that stray dogs were his pets. Milkman and his men were supported by all the neighbors. Boy made the area hospitable, that's why dogs spread like rats. Cops went away after beating round the bush and minced the matters. Actually, the residents of the area used to beat stray animals, so stray animal attacks were constantly increasing in the city. Number of cases were very high in that particular area. It was a hot potato as municipal corporation declared it stray free. Animals attack only when provoked by humans. They drew dogs and cows away with stones and sticks, but this had no effects as they returned after some time, increasing the conflict cause neighbors were stubborn and egoistic. Actually, the neighbors had an epic conflict with the boy and his mom. They lived a cat and dog life. Mom never took things lying down cause they suppressed her, but she was self-respecting. Police supported neighbors who were always at daggers drawn. Animal cruelty is the worst thing done by humans. Strict laws should be made against devil's advocates to inhibit its base of all crimes and violence as they play since childhood. Don't slap on the wrist, give stringent and exemplary punishments. Written by Sanket. तो ये थी मेरी पोइट्री। अगर मेरा वीडियो आपको पसंद आया तो इसे लाइक करें, और ये वीडियो आपको कैसा लगा नीचे कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताएं। ये वीडियो सबको शेयर करना ना भूलें, और अगर अभी तक आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो इसे अभी सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन भी दबाएं। अभी के लिए मुझे जाने की इजाज़त दें, मगर मैं फिर आऊँगा ऐसे दिलचस्प वीडियोस के साथ आपके चेहरे पर मुस्कुराहट लाने के लिए। तो मिलते हैं अगले हैरत अंगेज वीडियो में। ये वीडियो देखने के लिए आपको दिल से धन्यवाद। जय हिंद, वंदे मातरम, भारत माता की जय हो। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग, थैंक यू वेरी मच, थैंक यू वंस अगेन।